Are assembling the mummy jar box. So just we're going to fold this on the score lines. And this is the piece that makes up the bottom and the sides. And you just fold this on the score lines. We can set this piece aside for a few minutes. And I'm going to start here with the jar lid. Put my eyes together. I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece into place. Place my eyeballs here. So we have one piece that goes kind of across on a diagonal. This fatter one goes here. The bottom of this. Switch these eyeballs around. This is the big side. Oops. The first thing I want to do is make sure that I have my eyes in a place where they're kind of peeking out before I glue them down. Have this one backwards. So, about like that. And then this piece comes down diagonally. Nope. These are backwards. I think this piece is the top and this piece is the bottom. Like that. Okay. So I'm going to glue my eyes in place. There we are. So you can see that's pretty simple. This one has a little potion jar as a tag. Okay, now for the bottom, I'm going to first attach this side piece here to the side that's between the front and the back. You just want to make sure that you're lined up here, that line is straight. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue on these 3 tabs. I'm going to line the one up that goes across the bottom. And it should make the others fall right into place. Because you can see here that the front edges are curved, but this piece here, whoops, is straight. It's not catching. Match that just a few seconds longer, get that to stick. Then I'm going to glue this side on. And right back here in the corner, I'm using my finger here. I don't have this secured yet. I'm using my finger to push this down until it's just at the bottom edge here. Okay, so that it's lined up correctly. And I'll need to put just a little more glue on that part. I'm not going to worry about gluing that down until I have this side on. And now I'm pushing this with my thumb to get that to stick, and the sides. So you can see that there's a little overhang here because these pieces are made straight to just go across the bottom. I'm going to put glue on my remaining sides. I'm going to line this up to the bottom and to the side here, to the bottom, and then those 2 corners will just line right up where they're supposed to be. There we are. So there's that much of it. Then I'm going to take some twine . I'm going to add my tag. That doesn't really match. Let me open this one. So this one is Aqua Midnight. That matches better with the colors that I've used. to slide this through. I have enough that I can grab it to tie it. Not really. I don't think I can wrap it around twice because I didn't make enough. I didn't cut enough off. Slide this back on. There we go. And there is the mummy jar box. Thank you for joining me.